Green veggie inflames diabetes type 2, avoid. Breaking scientific research shows that there's a green vegetable that inflames diabetes symptoms, causing deadly spikes in blood sugar, increased fat storage, hormonal imbalances, brain fog, arterial plaque and debilitating chronic fatigue. Discover the one green veggie that worsens diabetes type 2 symptoms. New information. You might be eating this veggie every day believing it to be super healthy like everyone else does. But it's not. I was eating this green veggie myself 3 or 4 times a week, believing it to be super good for me. All the diet gurus tell you to eat it daily. It's not your fault if you're eating it too. You could never know this veggie, considered to be a superfood, is infected with some of the nastiest industrial toxins on the planet. Toxins that are banned in Europe because they inflame your diabetes type 2 symptoms, attack your pancreas and disrupt your insulin. Can you imagine getting your blood sugar under control for the first time in years? Start by eliminating this common veggie from your diet as of today. Check link in video description to avoid that one green veggie that inflames diabetes type 2 symptoms. You can say goodbye to diabetes type 2 forever. Say goodbye to your pain, frustration, fear and start enjoying life again like before. Visit link in video description to find out what this diabetes inflaming green veggie is. To your best health.